Good morning from Kuala Lumpur. Beautiful day today, nice and sunny. When we talk about Kuala Lumpur, the first thing that comes to our minds is the Petronas Towers and obviously Batu Caves, and that's where we're heading first, Batu Caves.
So we are finally here, Batu Caves are behind me. We had to take an overground and a bus because the train, I don't think it's working from KL Center to Batu Caves.
It stands on a limestone hill, has a series of caves, and it's the most important Hindu temple outside of India. It looks impressive. There is 272 steps up to the top of the hill, and we're going for it.
Look!
So many monkeys.
Little ones, medium, large, all sizes.
You've got them all?
This is a little one.
Hey, monkey banana. Banana. Touch him.
No, it's gonna bite me.
Oh. Oh.
So many over there. Same. We made it to the top of the hill, and here there is a temple, Hindu temple, and a cave. Look at this.
So we went all the way up the hill. There was a temple on the top, really cool, but what we prefer is the animals. The monkeys over there is just fabulous. Really enjoyed the monkeys. So after visiting the Batu Caves, we went back to the hotel, relaxed, had lunch. Now we came to the Petronas Towers, which is behind us. It's about 452 Christianas.
They are beautiful during the day, but look at this during the night. Insane.
Whoa, but before showing you, fun fact, they were the tallest towers in the world from 1998 to 2004. We just bought a tripod yesterday, by the way. We've been taking some amazing photos.
Go and check them out on our Instagram. Our Instagram is in the description below.
And follow!
You don't have to, but
It'll be
nice.
Yeah, it'll be nice.
It'll be nice. about to take the underground back to the hotel.
Today we've been commuting quite a lot, taking undergrounds, overgrounds, buses. It's been insane.
Yeah. And this was a short video, and tomorrow we're gonna check in into a very nice place. So let's see what the future brings.
Yes. Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Goodbye.
Bye.